Welcome. In this video, we're going to be walking through how to use find and replace in the Power Query Editor. So let's get started. So in this example, we're showing a quick report where we have bike sales by category. So here we have electric bikes, mountain bikes, and road bikes. But you'll see that instead of just showing those three categories, we have some overlap. So for instance, the electric bike is both listed in here singularly and plurally. Same with road bikes and mountain bikes. So we're just going to want to do a quick find and replace to change change the electric bikes and road bikes and mountain bikes all to just the singular version of that. So first we'll go into the query editor. So we'll go up to transform data. Okay, so we can go select our column that we want to adjust. It'll be highlighted. Then we can go up to replace values. So under the Home tab, replace values. And value to find. So a lot of people would probably do these one by one. So they would go in and type in mountain bike, mountain bikes, and replace with mountain bike. And then they would do it again, replace values, and they do road bikes, road bike, and then lastly they would do the electric bikes. So this is one option and it definitely works, but it's not necessarily the best way of going about this. And the reason I say that is because we just generated 3 separate applied steps, which makes our query longer. So it's going to be a lot more to debug if we have issues with the query later on, or if we want to make additional adjustments. So what we could do instead is, instead of doing all of these separate replaced values, we could instead go and think about this a little bit more strategically. What's the common element in this column that we want to change? And that's really, we want to change bikes to bike. So we'll just go replace values and bikes to bike. So now we're able to do that with a single applied step. So now when we close and apply, we should see our pie chart gets updated to just show our 3 categories. And there we go. We just walked through how to use the find and replace in the Power Query Editor. Hope this helps you in the work that you're doing, and take care.